Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and install VeriFit app. So first thing first, go to App Store, just click on that blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then click on the search button right here, and in the search bar type in VeriFit app and go search. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the app. So click on that, then click get, then install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The app is 293.1 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.